Your app gets killed every day. That's normal. Nobody told you. On the web, your code stops when the tab closes. On a phone, the OS kills your process whenever it wants. User opens the camera, then maps, then a video call. Memory gets tight. You're gone. 40 minutes later, they come back expecting their half-filled form and their scroll position, exactly where they left it. So flip the model. In-memory state is a cache. Persisted state is the truth. Save intent and unsubmitted input. Draft text, cart, scroll offset, discard anything you can refetch. Then test it. Android developer options. Turn on Don't Keep Activities. Use your app for a day. 10 minutes of that finds more bugs than a week of unit tests. In the complete module, why in-flight uploads freeze mid-socket. When to ask for a permission so users actually say yes. Why offline first level 2 costs 2 weeks and covers most apps. And the 5 performance numbers that should fail your build. The complete course is at shipreal.dev.